Good morning, dear students. So today let me tell you something about coming test. That this time I will take chapter number 3, that is trigonometric functions. So from exercise 3.1 to 3.3, so will be covered. You should go through the examples also, okay, dear students. So maximum questions you will get from the textbook only this time, okay. So you thoroughly practice your textbook questions and the examples. So that is about the test that I can say. And let me continue with the exercise 3.3 because we have stopped somewhere in the middle. So let us do some more problems, whatever you can manage just today before your test. So you see, if the question is not covered, then it will not be asked, okay. You should know. So up to question number 15 you have done yesterday, no? Let us see question number 16. How to solve question number 16. I may not solve so many questions today. So just you see question number 16, then we will solve one more question. So exercise 3.3 again. Question number 16. Here it is given cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x. Okay, we have to show it as minus sin twice x by cos 10x. Okay, so proof. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin thrice x. Okay, so here this is cos, you can consider as cos a minus cos b. That formula you can use here. So if we use that formula here, cos a minus cos b, what was the expression for cos a minus cos b? Twice sin a plus b by 2, that is 9x plus 5x. 9x plus 5x by 2. So into sin a minus b by 2, 9x minus 5x by 2. Okay, divided by sin a minus sin b, that formula you recall. Sin a minus sin b, that is sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. What was that? 2 sin x cos y. So it will be 2 sin x. 2 cos x, 2 cos x. X means actually a plus b by 2, 17x plus 3x by 2 into sin a minus b, that is 17x minus 3x by 2. Okay, then we will get here 2 times, this is 14 by 2, 7x. So sin 7x into, this is 9 minus 5, 4 by 2 is 2, so sin 2x divided by 2 into cos, this is 20 by 2, 10x into sin 17 minus 3, that is 14 by 2 is 7, sin 7x. So dear students, we can cancel it, sin 7x with sin 7x, 2 is 2, no? So we'll get here sin 2x, or dear students, we made a mistake here, because cos a minus cos b is equal to, cos a minus cos b is equal to minus sign we forgot here, okay, means minus 2 times of sin a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. So the remaining things are fine, okay. So the result will be just like this, minus sin twice x by cos 10x. This is our answer. So you are seeing that identities we need to so keep in mind, otherwise if we forget the identities, so we will make small mistakes like this. Let's go to another question. Let us think about 17, no? You want 17 or you want 18? So I don't know, but I am thinking 17, okay? Let us see 17. that is sine 5x plus sine 3x, similar type of question, by cos 5x plus cos 3x. So sine A plus sine B, that is equal to, as you know, twice sine A cos B, 2 times sine 5x plus 3x by 2, that is 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2, 5x minus 3x by 2. Okay, down there 2 times, since it is cos A plus cos B, here will be 2 times cos A plus B by 2, 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos A minus B by 2, 5x minus 3x by 2. Okay, so then it will be 2 cancelled. Sine 8x by 2 is sine 4x, then cos, that is twice x by 2 is cos x. Down there cos 8x by 2 is cos 4x, cos 2x by 2 is cos x. Then both will get cancelled. The result will be tan 4x, because sine 4x by cos 4x is tan 4x. Okay, dear students, this is our answer. Okay, let's take question number 18 now. Okay, after that we'll stop. Okay, dear students, after that you'll try at home. If you cannot manage, you let me know. 18, that is sin x minus sin y by cos x plus cos y. So again same, sin x minus sin y, this will be, that is twice, because sin x minus sin y, so twice cos x means x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 divided by cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y will give us that will be equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Okay, so then we will be able to cancel this cos and cos, no? Then we will have sin by cos with the same angle, that means it will be tan x minus y by 2, because angle is x minus y by 2, x minus y by 2. This is our answer. Okay, dear students, we shall meet again in our next class. So wish you good exam. Try as your level best in your coming exam. So, and go through every textbook question and the examples. Okay, in this exam, in this test I will test your textbook knowledge only. Thank you.